Man, it's so hard to find a good tutorial on how to begin Premiere Pro. They're all so long and boring.
Did someone say long and boring?
Oh my gosh, is that the Premiere Pro tutorial speedrunner? That's right, kid, and I'm gonna show you and all your friends how to begin Premiere Pro. Quickly! Hello everybody, it's Nick at Fast Tutorials, and today we're going to be teaching you how to do Premiere Pro. So first thing you want to do is you want to open Premiere Pro, like I'm doing. You do have to install it, and then you need to go over and you need to click New Project, and then you can name the project whatever you want. It doesn't matter. You can just, the different names don't give you like new tools. It's just, yeah. So first thing you want to do is it takes you to assembly, and that little box there, and when it says project yep, or whatever you named it, you just want to start adding all of your clips and all the files you need to that one little folder there. And then you need to then you want to start adding them into your timeline. Once they're in your timeline, you can edit them, but right now we just need to arrange them on what order they need to be and different things like that. So once that's all done, you can use the shortcuts to help edit and different things. As a beginner, I'd say there are only 3 shortcuts you need, so all the other ones can get really confusing. So you need the razor tool, which I'm using now, which kind of helps you cut the clips in half. You can use that to section something out. It helps you make a little clip salad like that. And then you can remove those clips and delete them as you want. And then the text shortcut, which is T. So basically you can just say T, and then we'll take you text, and it will give you text, and then you can just write whatever you want. I wrote Among Us at that clip, and you can stretch it as long as you want. You can shorten it. These are clips from my music video, The Sad Song, that I'm using, and you can just splice those. You can also click on the clip, and it allows you to adjust the length of the clip, so you can do it like that. There's also a little shortcut in the bottom left that allows you to cut off where the line is. So if you're in the middle of the clip and you only want the second half, you can use these tools to do that and to only give you that little thing. This is very useful to use. It it really helps editing. I really recommend using it. You can also go in and shorten clips like that. You hover over the very edge of the clip, and then you can just drag it back and forth. You can also overlap clips, which works. You can put clips over each other, and then the clip that is on the top will just remain, and it will cut the other clip. So be careful with that, and don't delete your entire project by doing that. But yeah. And then we can add transitions, where basically you go into effects and you go to video transitions, and I usually use Dissolve, where the transitions help you switch between clips. My transitions aren't working right now, but usually it would look like that. You can also, set the transition duration, but yeah. And now, the very final thing to learn is how to adjust audio. You go into audio, and then you can take the different things that it gives you, and you can adjust the different audio levels of that. I don't quite know how it names, but if you just experiment, you'll find it very easily. And yeah, so those are the basics of Premiere Pro.